In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off camera in Google Meet. First, sign in with your Google account and enter your Google Meet session. You can join by opening the meeting link or selecting the meeting from your calendar. Once you're in, make sure you're actually on the meeting screen, not just the lobby or a settings pop-up. If the bottom toolbar isn't visible, move your mouse or tap the screen to bring it up. You should see controls for microphone, camera, captions, and more. This is the area where you'll be turning your camera off. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the main meeting view helps you quickly find the right control and avoid clicking the wrong button. Next, look for the camera icon on that bottom toolbar. It usually looks like a small video camera. Click it once to turn your camera off. When you do, the icon changes to show a slash or strike through it, and in most cases, it may also change color to indicate it's disabled. That visual change is your confirmation that your video feed has stopped. Other participants will no longer see your live video. Instead, they'll see your profile picture or initials, depending on your account settings. Your audio is unaffected by this, so if you still need to speak, your microphone will continue to work unless you mute it separately. If you don't see the change right away, glance at your self-view thumbnail. It should disappear or show your profile image, which is another quick indicator that your camera is off. If you prefer using the keyboard, there's a handy shortcut. Press Ctrl+E to toggle the camera. This does the exact same thing as clicking the camera icon, and it's especially useful when you want to quickly switch your video off without hunting for the button. After pressing Ctrl+E, look for the slash across the camera icon in the toolbar. That slash means your camera has been successfully turned off. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure the Google Meet window is active by clicking anywhere inside it first. Shortcuts only apply to the window that's currently in focus. That's it. You've signed in, joined your meeting, turned off the camera with the toolbar button, and learned the keyboard shortcut as an alternative. Remember, you can turn the camera back on the same way. Click the icon again, or press the shortcut to toggle it.